हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं क्लास 12th फिजिक्स के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के बारे में और सैंपल पेपर 1 डिस्कस करते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सेक्शन ए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हेन an alpha particle of mass m moving with velocity v bombards on a heavy nucleus of charge Ze, how does its distance of closest approach from the nucleus depends on m? Question number 2. The electric field at a distance 3r upon 2 from the center of a charged conducting spherical shell of radius r is E. What will be the electric field at a distance r by 2 from the center of the sphere? Optional question. A hollow metal sphere of radius r is uniformly charged. What will be the electric field due to the sphere at a distance small r from the center? Question number 3. An equiconvex lens has power capital P. It is cut into two symmetrical halves by a plane containing the principal axis. Find the power of one of the parts. Question number 4. In Young's double slit experiment, the path difference between two interfering waves at a point on the screen is 5 lambda upon 2. Lambda being wavelength of the light used, the nth dark fringe will lie at this point. Find the value of n. Question number 5. The primary of a transformer when connected to a DC battery of 10 volt draws a current of 1 milliampere. The number of turns of the primary and secondary windings are 50 and 100 respectively. Find the voltage in the secondary and the current drawn by the circuit in the secondary. Optional question. An alternating voltage given by V equal to 140 sine 314t is connected across a pure resistor of 50 ohm. Find the RMS current through the resistor. Question number 6. Define magnetic susceptibility of a material. Next question 7. If the momentum of an electron is changed by p, then the de Broglie wavelength associated with it changes by 0.5%. Find the initial momentum of electron. Question number 8. What is the equivalent energy of a 10 milligram mass? Optional question. Name the absorbing material used to control the reaction rate of neutrons in a nuclear reactor. Next, 9th question. What should be added as an impurity into the silicon to produce N-type semiconductor? Optional question. Name the junction diode whose IV characteristics are shown in figure, where VOC is open circuit voltage and ISC is short circuit current. Next, 10th question. On what factors does the magnitude of the EMF induced in the circuit due to magnetic flux depends? Question number 11. Assertion. Higher is the refractive index of a medium or denser the medium, lesser is the velocity of light in that medium. Reason. Refractive index is inversely proportional to velocity. 12th question. Assertion. A photocell is called an electric eye. Reason. When light is incident on some semiconductor, its electrical resistance is reduced. 13th question. Assertion. Heater wire must have high resistance and high melting point. Reason: if resistance is high, the electric conductivity will be less. 14th question assertion: light is a transverse wave but not an electromagnetic wave. Reason: Maxwell showed that speed of electromagnetic waves is related to the permittivity of the medium through which it travels. Now, coming to section B, question number 15. Refracting telescopes work by using two lenses to focus the light and make it look like the object is closer to you than it really is. Both lenses are in a shape that's called convex. Convex lenses work by bending light inwards, like in the diagram. This is what makes the image look smaller. Consider a telescope having an objective of focal length 50 cm and eyepiece of focal length 5 cm. The least distance of distinct vision is 25 cm. The telescope is focused for distinct vision on a scale 200 cm away from the objective. An astronomical telescope has a large aperture to: option A, reduce spherical aberration; B, have high resolution; C, increase span of observation; D, have low dispersion. Second, on what factors does magnifying power of a refracting telescope depend? A option, wavelength of light used; B, focal length of eyepiece; C, focal length of objective; D, both B and C. Next, calculate the separation between the objective and eyepiece of the given telescope. Option A, 50.62 cm. Option B, 45.34 cm. C, 70.83 cm. D, 97.64 cm. Next, calculate the magnitude of magnification produced by the telescope. Option A, -1, B, 1, C, 2, D, -2. Next, you are given following three lenses. Which two lenses will you see as an eyepiece and as an objective to construct an astronomical telescope? Lenses L1, L2, L3, power 3 diopter, 6 diopter, 10 diopter, aperture 8 cm, 1 cm, 1 cm respectively. Options are A, L3 as objective and L1 as eyepiece; B, L1 as objective and L3 as eyepiece; C, L2 as objective and L1 as eyepiece; D, L1 as objective and L2 as eyepiece. 16th question. Any change in magnetic flux induces an EMF opposing that change. This process is called induction. Motion is one of the major causes of induction. Charges moving in a magnetic field experiences a magnetic forces which moves opposite charges in opposite direction and produces an EMF. Consider the given figure, which shows a square loop having 100 turns, an area of 2.5 into 10 past 2 minus 3 meters square, and a resistance of 100 ohm. The magnetic field has a magnitude B equal to 0.40 Tesla. First, find the EMF induced in the left arm of the loop. if it is moved out of the magnetic field in 1.0 second with a constant speed? Options are A 0.1 volt, B 2 volt, C 1 volt, D 0.2 volt. Next, find the current induced in the loop. Options are A 1 into 10 powers to minus 2 ampere, B 2 into 10 powers to minus 2 ampere, C 1 into 10 powers to minus 3 ampere, D 2 into 10 powers to minus 3 ampere. Next, find the force acting on the left arm of the loop due to the external magnetic field. Options are A 2 into 10 powers to minus 3 Newton, B 1 into 10 powers to minus 3 Newton, C 1.5 into 10 powers to minus 2 Newton, D 2 into 10 powers to minus 2 Newton. Next, find the work done in pulling the loop out of the field slowly and uniformly in 1 second. Options are A 2 into 10 powers to minus 3 joule, B 1 into 10 powers to minus 4 joule, C 2 into 10 powers to minus 4 joule, D 1 into 10 powers to minus 3 joule. Next, Lenz's law is a consequence of the law of conservation of. Options are A charge, B energy, C induced EMF, D induced current. Section C. 17th question. Distinguish between the phenomena of nuclear fission and fusion. Explain using the graph for the binding energy per A versus mass number A how the release in energy can be accounted for in the two processes. Question number 18. A hollow cylinder has a charge small q coulomb within it. If phi is the electric flux in units of voltmeter associated with the curved surface B, find the flux linked with the plane surface A in units of voltmeter. Question number 19. State two conditions for sustained interference of light to occur. Two coherent sources of light have their intensities in the ratio 4:9. Calculate the ratio of the intensity of maxima and minima of the interference pattern, or in a single slit diffraction experiment, the width of the slit decreased. How will the first size, second intensity of the central bright band be affected? Justify your answer. 20th question. Draw a graph showing the variation of current versus voltage in an electrolyte when an external resistance is also connected. 21st question. A semiconductor with a band gap of 2.5 electron volt is used to fabricate a PN junction photodiode. Find the wavelength of signal detected by it, or the peak voltage in the output of a half-wave diode rectifier fed with a sinusoidal signal without filter is 10 volt. Find the DC component of the output voltage. Question number 22. A parallel plate air capacitor has capacity capital C. Distance of separation between plates is small d, and potential difference capital V is applied between the plates. What will be the force of attraction between the plates of parallel plate air capacitor? Question number 23. The work done in turning a magnet of magnetic moment capital M by an angle of 90 degree from the meridian is small n times the corresponding work done to turn it through an angle of 60 degree. Find the value of small n. Question number 24. The figure shows energy level diagram of hydrogen. Which transition corresponds to the emission of radiation of maximum wavelength? Justify your answer. Question number 25th. Charge small q is uniformly spread on a thin ring of radius capital R. The ring rotates about its axis with a uniform frequency small f Hz. Find the magnitude of magnetic induction at the center of the ring. Or, if a long hollow copper pipe carries a current, then find the magnetic field produced in it. Now coming to section D, question number 26. How can a moving coil galvanometer be converted into an ammeter? To increase the current sensitivity of a moving coil galvanometer by 50%, its resistance is increased so that the new resistance becomes twice its initial resistance. By what factor does its voltage sensitivity change? 27th question. The electric field of an electromagnetic wave in free space is given by vector E equal to 10 cos 10 past to 7t plus kx j cap volt per meter, where small t and small x are in seconds and meters respectively. Find the value of wavelength and wave number. Or, in an electromagnetic wave in free space, the root mean square value of the electric field is ERMS equal to 6 volt per meter. Find the peak value of the magnetic field. 28th question. Two cells of EMF E1 and E2 and internal resistance R1 and R2 respectively are connected in parallel as shown in figure. Deduce the expression for first, the equivalent EMF of the combination, second, the equivalent resistance of the combination, third, the potential difference between the points A and B. Now question number 29. A non-conducting thin disk of radius capital R charged uniformly over one side with surface density sigma rotates about its axis with an angular velocity omega. Find first the magnetic induction at the center of the disk, second the magnetic moment of the disk, or draw a leveled diagram of an AC generator. Explain briefly its principle and working. Question number 30. In the given figures, which of the diodes are forward biased and which are reverse biased and why? Now coming to section E, 31st question part A. State Huygens principle. Using this principle, draw a diagram to show how a plane wavefront incident at the interface of the two media gets refracted when it propagates from a rarer to a denser medium. Hence, verify Snell's law of refraction. B. When monochromatic light travels from a rarer to a denser medium, explain the following giving reasons. First, is the frequency of reflected and refracted light same as the frequency of incident light? Second, does the decrease in speed imply a reduction in the energy carried by light wave? Or A. State the importance of coherent sources in the phenomenon of interference. B. In Young's double slit experiment, to produce interference pattern Obtain the conditions for constructive and destructive interference. C. How does the fringe width get affected if the entire experimental apparatus of Young's double-slit experiment is immersed in water? 32th question. Explain using suitable diagrams the difference in the behavior of a first conductor and second dielectric in the presence of external electric field. Define the terms polarization of a dielectric and write its relation with susceptibility, or find out the expression for the potential energy of a system of three charges Q1, Q2 and Q3 located respectively at position vectors R1, R2 and R3 with respect to the common origin O. 33 question. In Rutherford scattering experiment, draw the trajectory traced by alpha particles in the Coulomb field of target nucleus and explain how this led to estimate the size of the nucleus. Write two important limitations of Rutherford nuclear model of the atom, or using Bohr's postulates, derive the expression for the frequency of radiation emitted when electron in hydrogen atom undergoes transition from higher energy state quantum number Ni to the lower state Nf when electron in hydrogen atom jumps from energy state Ni equal to 4 to Nf equal to 3 to 1. Identify the spectral series to which the emission lines belong.